Guys, great news today. We are getting really close to getting this Dimension airdrop. If you guys were riding with me, then you guys were staked. You guys were eligible for this airdrop. I even showed you guys how to claim it in time, how to put it in the right wallet. I see some people put in their Ethereum address. You guys aren't even going to get your tokens. That's so sad because if they don't list DIM on your exchange, you're probably not going to get it. And even if they do, they have the ability to pocket those tokens on you guys. But anyway, if you guys are excited to get this airdrop, because you guys, if you're riding with me and you follow my videos, you guys are going to get this airdrop. You did it the right way. I showed you guys all how it was going to happen like a week and a half ago right here. Of liquidity lock for 28 minutes, 100% safe. Oh wait, no, that's not the right token. Everybody's bullish on this thing. It's the pioneer of roll app. Dim. I'm bullish. Everybody's super bullish. It's already valued at $4.69. As you know, we claimed like 850 tokens. 850 tokens at that price, guys. 850 is going to be worth about 4,000 already. The tokens that we're going to get is already going to be worth 4,000. And if not everybody claims it, we're going to get maybe like double the tokens. I would assume that we're going to get double the tokens because some of you guys put it on your exchange wallet. You're not going to get it. And then some people just forgot to claim it altogether. They weren't paying attention. They're too busy with their jobs. Say that we get the double amount of tokens, we'll get about $7,000 worth of DIM tokens at these current prices. I think it's going to go much higher than this, guys. It was expected to launch at about $5. We're at $5 now, guys. We're almost at $5 already, so we can see this thing at $10. Who knows? Maybe $20. It's only listed right here, xt.com so far. So far, it's only on xt.com. What is that? What did I do here? Let me just click on that right there. Is it going to pull it up? There it is. xt.com. And what's funny about xt.com is they've actually been trading this thing for quite some time now. It wasn't just today. I mean, like CoinMarketCap, I guess, just started listing the price today. But as you guys can see here, when did it launch? It launched about $5 it launched at. Yep, on the 22nd this thing came out. So this thing launched on this exchange the very next day after we were supposed to have claimed our airdrop. We didn't get our tokens yet. I didn't see it. Like, there's not even actually a token address. So even if you wanted to claim these tokens, I mean, there's no token address to actually do anything with here yet. They actually haven't tracked any information on it yet. I haven't seen anybody say that they're getting their airdrop yet. People are still talking about getting the airdrop. So it's still coming. I didn't get it yet. Don't worry about it, guys. I don't know when it's going to come, but I think it's going to come very, very soon. It's probably going to be the next airdrop to actually get delivered, mainly due to the fact that it just got listed all on here. Like, they're literally actually tracking it on here now. It's listed on xt.com. It's been about a week, a little over a week now since the claim date has ended. And by the way, supposedly there's going to be a second drop. I saw on Genesis roll drop, that there's going to be season 2 roll drop of this thing. So if you missed the first one, there's chances to get into the second one. I'm still completely staked. All my tokens that I had staked that I got this first allocation with, I'm still staked. So if they do have a second round, I'll be in on that one too. And I'm going to claim those tokens too. Make sure. And I'll let you guys know when that happens for sure. So smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to keep you guys posted on airdrops like that. Some of the best airdrops that we have. This is going to be one of the biggest airdrops of the year. Like I said, the pioneer of roll app, and it's supposed to be a roll app season. Roll apps are supposed to be huge. Supposedly, it allows you to create your own blockchain, if I'm not mistaken, and a bunch of other awesome features and things. So, but don't quote me on that. I don't know. You know what I mean? More so, I'm like following the airdrops. I'm farming airdrops. I'm doing gaming tokens. I'm doing so many things. I'm trying to do stock options. I'm trading futures. I don't have that much time to sit here and research every little piece of this. What I'm here to tell you guys today is that it's finally listed on here. It is worth the $5 that we said it was going to be worth. Hopefully this thing goes up in price while we're waiting to get our airdrop. I would love to see that, especially some people see that it's listed on here now. This just happened today, that this popped up on CoinMarketCap. All the people that didn't know how to get into this thing before, now as of today, they could all see it right here. So that's why you got nice volume right here, 78,000 volume, which isn't even that high. Imagine how low 78K volume is compared to a regular volume of a product. or a project, and then imagine the price increase that we can see from here based on getting so much more volume coming in, more listings all about this thing. Like, seriously, I'll probably sell some of my tokens outright when I get them if they're worth anywhere from $7 to $10. The rest of them I'm gonna be like a moon boy a little bit, and I'm probably gonna wait for like $20-$30 on this thing. But who knows how high it goes, because I don't even know what the market cap is. I wouldn't even begin to tell you guys where this thing is going to be valued. I just knew it was going to come out at $5. So if you guys are excited, smash that like button and let me know down below, like, how many tokens do you expect to get, and did you get your tokens yet? Let me know. I want to know, guys. Tell me all about it. Part of the community, right? I think that's all I got for you guys right now. I don't want to make this video too long. If you guys do want to buy DIM now, maybe you guys could use this exchange, xt.com, with this link right here that you can get right down here. Right down here, you guys could just actually just click on where I clicked on it. I clicked on the pair right here where the link was at. And the high confidence, the very high confidence on this bad boy. Like I said, I mean, like, tons of people were very, very bullish on this thing. Tons and tons of bullishness. And if you look at videos online, people are talking about how great this is going to be. So that's why they're going to hold their tokens. And hopefully that helps us, because then we won't get tons of people get the airdrop and just dump all the tokens and the price goes down a ton. You know, we don't want the price to tank a ton. I'd rather see people hold on to it like moon boys and like get the price driven up first, so that way we could actually get more money out of this. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you guys today. Smash that like button, please, if I didn't say it enough times already. And I will see you guys on the next one. Take care and have a good day.